Changing Discover to Shop in TikTok is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Launch the TikTok app on your device. By default, when you open TikTok, you will be in the For You feed, where you can see videos recommended for you. To access the Discover feed, you can swipe left on the screen. This will take you to the Discover page, where you can explore various content categories. To switch from the Discover feed to the Shop feed, you can look for the Shop tab or icon within the app. This is usually located at the bottom of the screen, next to other tabs like Home, Discover, and Inbox. Once you locate the Shop tab, tap on it to switch to the Shop feed. This will display products and items available for purchase directly within TikTok's shopping platform. Once you are in the Shop feed, you can browse through various products, collections, and featured items. TikTok often showcases trending products and brands, as well as personalized recommendations based on your interests and browsing history. You can interact with shopping content by tapping on products to view more details, including descriptions, prices, and purchasing options. You can also like, save, or share products with others. If you want to switch back to the Discover feed at any time, you can do so by tapping on the Discover tab or swiping left on the screen until you return to the Discover page.